In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Blogger link. By the end, you'll know exactly which link to grab when you want people to visit your whole blog or a single article, and how to copy it cleanly so it works everywhere. Start by opening your Blogger site in a web browser. If you're looking at the dashboard or the post editor, switch to the public view of your site so you're seeing it the same way your readers do. You can usually get there by clicking View Blog from your dashboard or by visiting your blog's web address directly. If you want to share the link to your entire blog, head to your homepage. An easy way to get there is to click your site title or the home link in your menu, which takes you to the top level of your site. Look up at the address bar at the very top of your browser. That address is your full blog link. On Blogger, it might look like your name.blogspot.com or a custom domain you've connected. This is the link to give people when you want them to land on your main page and browse your latest posts. If you want to share a specific article, open that individual post. From your homepage or your posts list, click the post title so you're viewing the published page for that article. You should see the article content on its own page. Check the address bar again. On Blogger, the article link often includes the year and month, followed by words from your post title. That's normal, and it's the correct link for just that one post. Now copy the URL from the address bar. Click inside the bar to highlight the entire address. If it doesn't select everything, press Ctrl-L on Windows or CMD-L on Mac to select it, then copy with Ctrl-C or CMD-C. You can also right-click and choose Copy. On a phone, tap the address bar, select the link, and tap Copy. Paste the link wherever you need it, an email, a message, a social caption, or your bio using Ctrl-V or CMD-V or the paste option on mobile. A few quick tips to keep it clean and reliable. Make sure you're not copying a draft or edit page, which only you can see. The public link won't include words like draft or edit. If you see extra characters after a question mark, that's usually tracking info. The link will still work, but you can remove everything after the question mark to keep it tidy. Your homepage link should be the root of your site, not a search or label page. That's it. Open your Blogger site, choose the homepage for your full blog or the individual post for a single article, and copy the URL from the address bar. Happy sharing!